Real estate term of the day, ground lease. A ground lease is when an investor comes in and tells the landlord, I'm just going to rent the grass. Publix, CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, big corporations, they like going in and just paying a ground lease. This affords them to pay a lot less for the lease than they would for the actual building. So what happens? Well, once they rent the ground, then they have to go in and do all the construction. It becomes their responsibility. The taxes becomes their responsibility. The insurance and the maintenance, everything is their responsibility. The landlord just receives a lease based on the ground itself. These leases are usually very long term, 50, 75, or 99 years. Why not 100? Because if it becomes 100, then you get what is known as ownership. So never 100, always up to 99 years. What happens when the lease ends? Well, two things. Either they're going to extend it, right? Or the lease is done with. Once the lease is done with, the tenant must leave and leave the building behind. They could take everything on the inside, but they have to leave the building behind. This is what you see often when a new tenant comes in. They demo the building and they start from scratch. Why? Because they never had any investment in the building to begin with, and they don't mind, especially if it's a big corporation like McDonald's or Burger King, Wendy's, a gas station. They don't mind knocking down the building because they want everything to the structure to be the same everywhere you go. For more tips and tricks, please visit my website. And if you're interested in passing the pre-sales Florida license test or the brokers, you may want to consider buying my study guide, which is only $53. Till next time.